So this training tip is on strategy, and the strategy goes by plan your entry and exit before even stepping into the trade, and this is very important. I think I mentioned this one time before as well, but it's important to really strategize your entries and exits. A lot of people will plan their entries, but very few people will plan their exits, and that's where I want to focus this video on. So the importance is that you know where exactly you're going to enter the trade, but you should also have as part of that plan where are you going to exit that trade. So if it's going to go up, what is the exit price of your stock? If it's going to go for a loss, what would be the maximum loss you're going to go? And you have that information before you even step into the trade, and that's important because that will help you really take the emotions out of the trade, because you've already defined that before you even took the buying position. So I hope this was helpful. I want you to start trying this out and let me know what your thoughts are. Is this helpful, valuable? Have you seen a difference in your trading results, or is still the same? So do let me know. I'm curious to know if this has helped you or not. So with that, stay tuned to another video.